Crypto's been one of the best performing assets this year, but what's the easiest and safest way to buy it? Crypto's complicated. It's like some voodoo technology no one really seems to understand anything about, but everyone wants to own so that they can get rich. And to be honest, I never really bought into the crypto hype until very recently, and even now, I wouldn't say I'm buying into the hype, I've just learned a lot about crypto. I've spent quite a bit of time learning about it, and now knowing what I know about crypto and how to view it and how to value it, I'm starting to ramp up my portfolio allocation up to 10% of my total portfolio. I'm currently about 1% or about $3,000 in crypto investments, and I've made a ton of money over the past few weeks. Now I know that can fluctuate back down as quickly as it fluctuated up, but it has been very exciting. So we need to first understand what crypto is. And when I'm talking about crypto, I'm mostly talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are the two most widely held cryptocurrencies. Now, a key word there is currency, which was one of the biggest shifts in my mind as I was learning about this. For a long time, I was viewing Bitcoin and Ethereum as a stock and trying to value it like a stock and see what the return of that stock would do over time. That was a big mistake because it's not a stock. It's not an asset that you own ownership in. It is a currency. It is like owning a dollar bill, except with a lot more benefits. So now it's important to understand the differences between crypto and a fiat currency. A fiat currency, like the dollar bill, is basically what the whole world's economy runs on. Now, fiat currency is a currency that's basically backed by no real assets. So at any point in time, there is a given number of dollars in circulation, and the number of dollars in circulation directly affects the buying power of that dollar or the value of that dollar. And that the number of dollars that are in circulation are directly affected by, or directly controlled, I should say, by the Treasury and the Fed. I mean, that money printer's gotta go burr, right? Now, this differs heavily from crypto, which is controlled via mining. So in the case of Bitcoin, there are only ever going to be 21 million Bitcoins ever available. And it's gonna take somewhere until like 2071 or something like that before they're actually all mined. And Ethereum has no upper limit, but it is controlled by the number of computers on the network mining. So it's a very predictable and transparent inflation rate through this currency. Now, when you own a dollar, you own an actual physical thing, which makes it easier to rationalize about and be convinced that it actually means something. And when it comes to crypto, it's fully digital, so it's not really there. But it can be immediately transferred between wallets, so no more waiting on these 3 to 5 day ACH or wire transfers. It is instantaneous. So how on earth do you get a wallet? It's actually really pretty simple. You sign up for Coinbase, Gemini, or BlockFi. I'll put links down in the description to all of those things, and that'll basically get you a digital wallet. Now, there's hardware wallets that you can do for more security and things like that, but we're talking about the easiest way to get going here, and that is it. From there, you can buy crypto with USD or whatever your native currency is and store it in that wallet. Now from there, it's transferring this stuff is actually very confusing. So you need to understand a little bit about how blockchain works to fully understand this. So let's talk about how the typical banking system works, where you have a bank account and that account has a routing number and an account number, basically a unique identifier for your account in the currency that you have that account in. Now, the same thing exists in the crypto world. You will have a wallet, which is gonna be this long string of letters and numbers that basically uniquely identifies that wallet. Now, it's very important to know that you have one wallet per currency type. So you will not have one wallet that contains Ethereum and Bitcoin. You will have one wallet for Bitcoin and one wallet for Ethereum. That's very, very important because you can't ever transfer Bitcoin to an Ethereum wallet without first converting it. Otherwise, you could lose all of it, which is not good. Now, typically in a normal bank account, when you would transfer money, you would enter in the other person's routing number and account number, and you would do an ACH over 3 to 5 days and all of this stuff. Now, in the crypto world, all you need to do is enter the other person or your other wallet's address. So for example, if you were buying some crypto on Coinbase or Gemini and you want to transfer it into your BlockFi account because you want to earn that sweet, sweet interest, you would just grab your wallet address from BlockFi, which will look a lot like this, And then you will put that into Coinbase on the send screen, and you will type in how much you want to send. There will be a small transaction fee, as there is in most of these cases, for using the network. And it will immediately transfer. Normally it's like within 5 minutes it will be there and start earning interest, and it's amazing. And you can do the same thing for withdrawals from BlockFi to Coinbase or Gemini, or however which way you want to go. And it's really just that simple. Now, a couple of things that I want to make sure are clear. Never transfer one currency to the wallet of another currency. That's a good way to lose money. Always double check those IDs that you're sending, because very much like if you send a wire transfer to a scammer and don't double check the accounts, that money's gone. It's just gone. So the same thing can happen in crypto, just like it does with wire transfers. So be careful, double check things, and I hope this helps. So if you're getting started in crypto, talk to me down in the comments. Let me know, is Bitcoin the thing you're interested in? Is it Ethereum? Is it Litecoin? What interests you? Why? What are you doing? So I'm here every Monday and Friday, 2:45 p.m. Eastern, talking about exciting ways to get rich, like crypto, like angel investing. Share this video, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.